Hello guys, good afternoon or good morning, and I'm starting 10:30 in the morning. And today I'm going to share with you guys my that I've chose the three Filipino and Commonly words, and this is my um, project or PT from the MTech. And today, guys, I want to share with you the three uncommonly used Filipino words. And number one is the Filipino word marahuyo. So it says it's an old poetic and somewhat uncommon term and modern everyday speech. Meaning, marahuyo means to be enchanted, um, captivated, or deeply fascinated by something so beautiful, extraordinary, or magical that stirs admiration and wonder. It carries a sense of awe and amazement, almost like being spellbound. So that's all the marahuyo. And number two that I've chose is maakit. So it says it's a Filipino verb that means to be attracted, entice, or lured toward something or someone because its appeal, beauty, or persuasive power. It comes from the root word akit, or to entice, to draw in. And number three that I've chose is mahumaling, means to be infatuated, fascinated, or completely absorbed by someone or something, often to the point of being deeply carried away. It usually describes a strong attraction. And that's all that that's all my that's all, and I hope you will enjoy my three commonly words, and that's all. Thank you.